My dear friends, as I said, the PSLV has gone or visited almost all the places in the space. It has gone to launch the satellite in the inclined orbit. It is launching the satellite in the polar orbit. It is launching the satellite in the GTO orbit. It is sending the satellite to moon. It is sending the satellite to Mars. Now we are going to send the satellite to Sun. So, such a versatile vehicle, definitely it is having a lot more work to do, and for that the work we are accumulating for you, all of you, to do that work. Next year we are having a series of missions for the PSLV to do, along with that GSLV missions, and also we are going to have that maiden mission